My favorite panel at the Project MedTech Symposium was the raising capital from an entrepreneur's perspective. I found it fascinating to learn how you go about raising capital, but also the pros and cons of where to find the best money for your startup, whether it's good or bad money potentially. I found their perspective from an entrepreneur is very intriguing and learned quite a bit.
Hi everyone, I'm Dwayne Mancini, CEO here at Project MedTech, and we're here in beautiful Houston, Texas at the Texas Medical Center for Innovation for our Project MedTech Startup Symposium.
Here at Project MedTech, we're focused on making an ecosystem where medtech companies can thrive. Our consulting services team are focused on financial, operations, commercial, business, and investment strategy. Again, just adding to that support of that ecosystem network.
At Project MedTech, we know and understand that we're only one piece of the puzzle. That's why our vision is to create an ecosystem where medical technology thrives. That's where we're pulling in experts throughout the entire world to be here to create a plan and execute upon that plan so that they are successful.
One of the biggest pieces of the puzzle is finding out what that true problem is and designing a product around it. That's why here at the Houston Startup Symposium, we brought together design experts, regulatory partners, and physicians to help you solve that problem.
Anytime you're talking about putting a medical technology inside of a patient, quality and efficacy need to be front of mind. Today we're hearing from thought leaders in regulatory, quality, and cybersecurity.
Arguably, as a startup, one of the most difficult things you'll have to do is to sell your product. That's why we've brought together a team of reimbursement experts, healthcare economists, healthcare executives, as well as sales and marketing leaders together.
We all know that it takes funding to get your medtech venture off the ground. That's why we have investors of all stripes, angel investors, venture capital, family funds, corporate venture offices presenting throughout the symposium.
One of our favorite parts of the event is to give the stage to the startup companies. Hearing about the future and what comes next in the medtech industry is what this symposium is all about.
Thanks everyone for watching, and we hope to see you at our next Startup Symposium. Follow us on LinkedIn and check out our website for more information on our podcasts, our events, and our consulting services. Now, here are some testimonials from a few people who attended our Houston Startup Symposium.
I've been fortunate enough to spend today with the Project MedTech Startup Symposium. And not only did I get a chance to learn from some serious entrepreneurs who are moving from strength to strength, I also reconnected with people who I had previously just met on Zoom and got a sense for their real passion and where they are in their journey. I look forward to staying in touch with these great entrepreneurs over the next coming months and years and being a partner to them as they grow.
My favorite part so far has been all of the panels and really getting to hear about the startup companies with their pitch decks and hearing what they're working on. Just really cool to hear what people are doing in the industry, as well as hearing from other professionals and helping them give advice to these startup companies to set them up for success from the get-go, because what they're doing is really hard, so getting to put a bunch of people together to help them out is just a really cool experience.
Well, I'm here at the Project MedTech Symposium. So excited to be a part of this event. We're a medtech company from Denmark, so to become a part of this ecosystem and have an opportunity to do networking with players from all sides of the table, from regulatory experts to testing experts, to financing experts, to funding, to the whole shebang is so valuable to somebody like us. So we're happy to be here today.
So I want to give a big thank you to Project MedTech for holding this Startup Symposium. It's been a great opportunity just to mix and mingle with other people who are doing medical device startups, just to learn from other people, to meet different companies that can help us out with regulatory, with reimbursement, with quality management systems, just talking with more people that are going through the same thing that I'm going through as CEO of a small medical device startup. So yeah, it's been a great opportunity to talk, learn from others, share my experience, and hear theirs.